Griffin! Hi, Pixie!
Hi, Thunderbird!
Today, we are going to have a virtual field trip to Maimun Palace! Right now, let me see, we are here at school and ready to get to the school! Do you know this road? Have you ever been here? This is Sisingamangaraja Road. Okay, behind of me there is Pamtirta Nadi Monument as Medan icon. So, in front of me there is Maimun Palace. Let's go! In Maimun Palace. Welcome to Maimun Palace! Are you ready to explore this place? Check it out!
Hi guys! When we first arrive, we will see this huge garden. Can you see how enormous this garden is? And this is the view in front of this building.
Okay students, now let's explore inside the building. Alright, before you get into the Maimun Palace, you have to take off your shoes or sandals. Right, if you enter this building, you will see the color on the walls is primarily yellow. You can see that.
Hi, this is the throne. As you can see, the color is dominated with gold and yellow. And behind this throne, there is palanquin. Let's check it out. This is the palanquin that was used to carry Sultan. And here are some ceramic utensils from Egypt. And this is the old chair of Sultan and his wife. And here are some knives of Sultan. Each knife has its own name written on a piece of paper. Next, we also can see some collection of Sultan. And now, let's move to another room. We can see here some musical instruments that was used to entertain sultans. There are shelves here to store some books. Now, it's your turn to pay attention to your English local word sheet. There are some question words: what, who, where, when, why, how, and how much. There are 3 questions on your worksheet. You can choose the correct question word, then answer the question based on your virtual field trip. Do your best, okay?
Hi students, here are the photos of some of the sultans that have lived here at Maimun Palace. sultan who stay here is the Sultan Mahmud Arya Lamanjiji. He was born in Makassar. He is the youngest sultan and he has ruled from the year 2005 until now. That means he's been the sultan for 16 years.
Hi students, now I'm going to have interview with one of the workers who record the data of visitor every day. I want you to pay attention and listen carefully for the data so you can do your maths worksheet. Let's find the workers. Hi guys, I'm here with Mr. Nurdin. He is the one who work here to record the data of the visitors every day. Here, listen carefully how many visitors that visit this Maimun Palace every day. Pak, kira-kira setiap hari Senin ada berapa pengunjung ya Pak?
Setiap hari Senin dia nggak nentu,
Ya.
cuman dia perkiraan itu sampai kayak 200 tamu, mungkin bisa lebih,
Iya.
cuman normalnya 200 tamu.
Okay. Actually, for the visitors, the numbers of the visitor is not always the same. But for right now, he has the data. For Monday, there are 200 visitors. 200 visitors. On Tuesdays, hari Selasa Pak?
Kalau hari Selasa dia nggak jauh beda, bisa 200, bisa lebih, biasa 250.000.
Okay. 250. On Tuesday, there are 250 visitors. 250 visitors. Hari Rabu, Pak?
Hari Rabu juga tidak jauh beda, hampir sama. Yang membedakan itu di hari weekend, Sabtu Minggu.
Sabtu Minggu ya. Okay. On Wednesday is also around about 200 and 250 visitors. Same also with Thursday. On Thursday, the visitors also around 200 or 300 visitors. And Friday, kira-kira hari Jumat itu berapa ya Pak?
Hari Jumat bisa mencapai 300-an tamu, bisa lebih.
Okay. On Friday, there are 350 visitors. 350 visitors. Saturday, hari Sabtu,
Sabtu bisa mencapai 400 tamu, kadang 300 tamu, agak melebihi sedikit.
Saturday, because Saturday is weekend, so the visitors come many from the usual day. So there are 400 visitors on Saturday. Hari Minggu,
Hari Minggu karena hari weekend agak lebih ramai, bisa 500, bisa 600.
and the last on Sunday, there are 600 visitors came here to visit this palace, and this is the huge number a week. Thank you guys. So now please fill your math worksheet and find the data, and you can repeat again the data again. Thank you and see you.
Now, let's explore outside. You can see the view of the garden from veranda, which means the Sultan could always see what was happening outside. If you walk along through the veranda, you can see boards about information of the Sultan. Now let's move to the right side of veranda. We will visit the Taiwanese traditional house. Let's see what is inside. This is what we call Meriam Puntung. According to the history, this was used in the war between Aru Kingdom and Aceh Kingdom.
Guys, as we learn science, we have 5 senses. They are sense of touch, skin, sense of hearing, ear, sense of sight, eye, sense of taste, tongue, and sense of smell, nose. And we can use all the senses to explore the world. Like here, I can hear many sounds, like the sounds of cars and motorbike. I can hear it because I use the sense of hearing. I can see some cars and motorbikes with the help of my sense of sight. Well, in this place it feels very hot and I need something to drink. On my hand, I have a bottle of coffee and I want to drink this. This coffee tastes sweet. How do I know it? I know it's sweet because of my sense of taste. Well, on your worksheet, there are 2 questions. So you write 3 things that you can see and 3 things that you can hear. Okay, that's all and see you.
Baik, sebelumnya kita sudah belajar mengenai apa saja peraturan-peraturan yang berlaku di tempat wisata. Salah satunya adalah peraturan-peraturan yang ada di Istana Maimun itu sendiri. Nah, Mr. Batasi sekarang akan menjelaskan apa saja sih peraturan-peraturan yang berlaku di Istana Maimun ini. Ya, yang pertama adalah saat kamu masuk di dalam istana, kamu harus melepaskan sepatu maupun sendal kamu. Hal ini dikarenakan untuk menjaga kebersihan saat kamu berada di dalam istana tersebut. Kemudian, kamu juga tidak diperbolehkan untuk menyentuh barang-barang yang ada di sekitar di dalam istana tersebut. Ya, termasuk juga duduk di beberapa kursi-kursi yang tidak diperbolehkan. Ya, nah peraturan berikutnya adalah saat kamu berada di istana diharapkan untuk tidak tidak ribut, ya, atau berteriak, ya, agar dapat menghargai ataupun dapat menciptakan suasana hening saat kamu berada di dalam Istana Maimun. Kemudian, nah, jika kamu lihat di sini ada sebuah pelang yang terpampang di sini, di mana dikatakan buanglah sampah pada tempatnya, ya. Jadi sangat diharapkan sekali saat kamu berada di daerah kawasan Istana Maimun, kamu hendaknya tidak boleh membuang sampah sembarangan. Nah, sekarang coba perhatikan worksheet PKN kamu. Tuliskan 3 peraturan-peraturan yang berlaku di Istana Maimun.
Nah, kamu sudah menyaksikan banyak hal yang menyenangkan dari video field trip ini. Sekarang, tuliskan 5 kalimat tentang hal yang menyenangkan yang kamu dapatkan dari video field trip ini.
Okay guys, that's all about our field trip today. We hope you enjoy learning about the Maimun Palace. And if you have time, you can visit the palace with your family. See you! Bye!
Recording.
Hi from
If you walk along through the veranda, you can see boards. You can see boards about information. Okay. If you walk along through the, ini tanganku kok lupa ya.
Well, in your worksheet, there are 2 questions. So now you do it, write some things that... Oh, sorry bang, ulang bang. Tunggu bang.
Now, it's your turn to pay attention to your English local worksheet. There are some question words there. You can... Sorry Pak, lupa.
Kok lupa tanganku ini? Tadi gini. Siap ini gini.